Instagram has begun testing for a new feature called Flipside, enabling users to create private posts exclusively visible to selected users or close friends. Currently confined to a small group, the Meta-owned photo and video sharing platform intends to expand this feature to a broader user base. However, Instagram head Adam Mosseri is not sure about launching this feature, but the company is currently recording people response. According to a report by The Standard, Flipside will empower users to maintain a separate space for these private posts, granting users control over who can or cannot view these posts. This space is purportedly designed for those who wish to share more private or personal content exclusively with close friends and family. It is commonplace on Instagram for individuals and celebrities to maintain a separate account, often referred to as Finsta or fake Insta, exclusively shared with close friends and family. With the upcoming Flipside feature, users can replicate this practice on their primary accounts, allowing them to post pictures and videos visible only to selected users. Additionally, Instagram is reportedly poised to permit users to configure a custom profile picture, name, and bio for the Flipside profile, creating an experience similar to a separate account. The Instagram Flipside feature is currently accessible to select users and is anticipated to be progressively rolled out to all users in the coming weeks. A comparable feature has been available for Instagram Stories, allowing users to upload stories visible solely to chosen individuals designated as close friends, identifiable by a green circle. The forthcoming Flipside feature is expected to provide a similar functionality.